Hi, I'm Jamie Thule, and I want to demonstrate a little hack that I use for storing expansions in Button Shy Games wallets without stretching the wallet. So, a while back, I bought Seasons of Rice with both expansions, and I was concerned about putting the cards inside and stretching out the plastic. So what I made is this. It's just packing tape attached to the sleeve that the expansions came in. And if you tuck that in like you would put a card in, close it up, your expansion stays in, just holds in there. It's just a simple wallet expander. So now that I got Stew with both of the expansions, I wanted to demonstrate how to make one of these. So I've got the Crows and Corn expansion here, along with a strip of packing tape. It's very sticky. Alright, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sleeve, I'm going to stick it on, and then I'm going to very carefully fold this over so that there won't be any sticky side in the wallet. Pardon the silence as I focus intensely. Awesome. Simple as that. I've attached it to both sides, and there's no sticky surface. I also have the Fungus Among Us expansion, so I'm going to take those, and I'm just going to go ahead and add them to the wallet. If I can get this in here. Tuck that one in. This one's going to face backwards, but I can always rearrange the cards. And all of my expansions in one wallet. Perfect.